TikTok shop sellers. Here's how you make scroll-stopping product videos and ad creative videos without ever turning on a camera. Those clips you just watched, nobody filmed a single one. No creator, no studio, no shipping a product out and waiting 2 weeks. I typed a few sentences, pointed an AI agent at a product page, and it built the whole thing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do the exact same thing for your own products. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric. Today, we're going inside Creatify's newest tool. I'll show you both modes and exactly how to use them without lighting your credits on fire. There's a real warning on that, so stick around. Why this matters. TikTok doesn't reward one perfect ad. It rewards volume. You need a stack of native feeling videos, different hooks, different faces, so the algorithm can find the one that pops. Filming that by hand is slow and expensive. The agent solves it by spinning up TikTok-style UGC across multiple templates from a single product link. What we're building here. So here's the plan. First, I drop a product into the agent and let auto mode build a batch on its own. Then I switch to flow mode for hands-on control and connect an avatar directly to the product. And near the end, I'll show you how I rebuilt a proven, already winning ad format with my own product. The part that honestly feels like cheating. Opening the agent. All right, I'm gonna click into Creatify here and click into the agent. The product we'll be using today is Blooms, Greens, and Superfoods powder. Big TikTok shop category, tons of competition, perfect test. I'll paste the product URL into the chat and tell the agent what I want in plain English. Make me 3 TikTok shop UGC videos for these greens and use the same female creator in all 3. Give me a get ready with me, an unboxing, and a social proof review. Keep them 9:16 video and under 30 seconds each. Locked it to one creator and then named the exact styles. So the more specific you are, the less it wastes. Now, before I hit send, this is the most important tip in the video. Auto mode can move through credits fast. A vague prompt with no quantity can use a big chunk of credits in a single chat, so I never let it run blind. I add one line. Tell me how many credits this will use before you generate. It comes back with the plan, the templates, and the credit estimate. I read it, and if it's high, I'll trim before anything renders. That one habit is a difference between testing all month and running dry on day 3. The number looks good, I click continue. Next, we'll go ahead and just paste in our prompt, as well as our little credit usage warning there at the end, and we'll go ahead and send this off. Okay, so it went ahead and came back with its estimates here. So let's say go ahead and begin creating. What the agent does on its own. So this is the part that used to take a human a full day. The agent reads the Bloom page, pulls the name, description, and images, and writes a different script per template. The get ready with me sounds like a girl talking to her phone during her morning routine. The unboxing is her tearing open the package and reacting. And the social proof one is an honest, I didn't expect this to work kind of take. Then it casts an avatar for each, matches a voice, lays in captions, and renders. All from those couple of sentences. Switching to flow mode. All right, say one's close and I want to dial it in. Or I have a specific idea and I don't want the agent guessing. That's flow mode. Same engine, but it walks me through one decision at a time. I pick the template, pick the avatar, edit the script line by line before anything renders. A little less speed for a lot more control. Connecting an avatar to the product. So here's the flow mode feature I wanted to show. I can connect an avatar directly to the product so they're actually holding it. I pick a casual avatar, someone who looks like she'd post this from her kitchen, not a corporate spokesperson, and connect the Bloom tub. Now when it renders, she's holding the actual product, turning it, showing the label, the way a real creator would. A talking head recommending a product is fine, but a person physically holding it, showing the label, feels like a genuine recommendation. That's what makes someone stop and tap. Rebuild a winning format. All right, the moment I promised. So instead of guessing at a brand new ad, I found an ad in this green space that clearly is already working. Same structure that people are running right now. And I rebuilt that proven format inside Creatify with my own avatar in the Bloom product. All right, Creatify has finished putting together these 3 different ads. So let's go ahead and watch through them together.
Getting ready for the day, and this is literally the first first thing I do every single morning. I've been adding Bloom Greens to my routine for months. 38 ingredients, helps with bloating, digestion, and honestly just gives me energy without the crash. It actually tastes so good. Which is honestly the main reason I keep coming back. Link is in the TikTok shop to grab yours. My Bloom Greens just arrived and I got 2 flavors this time. I literally could not decide. 38 superfoods in 1 scoop. Gut health, bloating relief, digestion, natural energy. It's also gluten-free. I got berry and mango and they both smell amazing. The berry flavor is literally so good. It tastes just like a smoothie. Find it in TikTok shop and use my link. I've been taking Bloom Greens every day for 30 days, and I need to talk about what it actually did. Bloating went way down in the first week, digestion improved, and my morning energy is just genuinely different now. 38 ingredients, and I feel every single one. If bloating's been your thing, try this. It genuinely worked for me. Links in the TikTok shop.
All right, there we go. And there's our 3 different ads. We have the get ready with me, the unboxing, as well as the sort of just like genuine recommendation. Same proven hook, same pacing that already converts. My product, my avatar, made in just minutes. You're not gambling on a creative idea from scratch. You're starting from a structure the market already told you it likes and putting your product into it. Finishing it for TikTok. So 2 things matter. First, captions. Turn them on and use the bold, bouncy, highlighted style that looks native to TikTok, not a clean cinematic font. Native captions make the brain read it as normal content. Second, keep cutting away from the face. Avatar for a couple seconds, cut to the product shot, back to the avatar. The voice keeps playing, but the eyes never sit on the face long enough to question it. Export it at 9:16 and it's ready for TikTok shop or a paid creative. Now, if you want to get started with Creatify, we have the link to Creatify down in the description below. So that's the full workflow. Drop a product into the agent, let auto build the volume, use Flow to dial in your winner, rebuild what's already working, and scale it across every product you sell. No camera, no creator, no waiting. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and grab your 10 free credits down in the description below, and I'll see you here in the next video.